channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing 5 amazing DIY ideas for this Diwali which you guys can try at home and that will make your home look even more prettier and brighter for coming Diwali. So yes, make sure to watch the video till the very end and don't miss out on anything. So yes, before starting I have a small request to make which you guys already know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So yes, let's quickly begin with the video.
So for the first DIY, these are the materials we need: glue gun, glue stick, and this is a thick cardboard piece which I have cut in a shape of round, and then some plastic spoons, scissor, and this is golden spray paint. Now I have taken golden color, you can take color of your choice. Next we will cut the spoon head just like this. We will cut all the others just like the same. As you guys can see, I have already done it. To color these, I am using this golden spray paint. You guys can use any color of your choice like red, green, yellow. They will look pretty as well. But I wanted this golden shade. So make sure they are well coated. So once they are dry, they will look something like this. How beautiful they are looking. This is like completely matte golden shade. Next we will take the cardboard. This will be the base of our holder. We are making a candle holder. Using a glue gun, we will start sticking it to the board. Use good amount of glue so that they will be like sturdy enough. Stick them side by side. So now they will complete one layer. Next we will do the same and we will complete the second layer as well. The spoon heads will look like petals, flower petals. Once we complete the second layer and the third layer, it will look like a flower, a lotus flower. Once it is done, it will look something like this. Now at the center I am going to place a LED candle light. Now this is how pretty it will look. As you guys can see, it will not look less than any expensive candle holder. So this will surely enhance the beauty of your house this Diwali. Now for the second DIY, I am making this bangle candle holder. So by taking one bangle, keep it on the cardboard and draw this circle using the bangle and then cut this piece. So this is going to be the base of our candle holder. And next we need some bangles. You guys can use some old unused bangles which you have at home. I have taken this plain color. You guys can also use the glitter ones. I have arranged in the way I want. Try to use more colors in this. They will look good. Now using a glue gun, I am going to put glue all over the bangle and stick on to the base which we have made out of cardboard. And we will repeat the same step with rest of the bangles. Put the glue and stick on to the previous bangle. So keep on doing that. So once it's done, it will look something like this. Now as you guys can see, down there the edges are like very rough, so I'm going to put some glue over there and put this lace so that it will cover up. So I'm using this funky lace, golden lace, that will give the festive vibe. Stick it around and cut the excess one. So here I have a tip to share. Don't use hot glue to stick the bangles. It is not coming really neat. Instead of that, I have used Fevicol. It is much better and neater than the previous one, as you guys can see. Now to just decorate it a little more, I'm using these pearls and gluing them on top of the bangles. You guys can decorate it with all the other beads and everything. So this is how it is looking once it is done. So within no time we have made it. Place a LED candle in it and tada, they will look super gorgeous. So for the next DIY, these are the things we need: some pearl, and then this is the craft wire which will be available in any stationery shop. This is used for making jewelry and things, and this is jute rope, and the size of the rope is 2 mm, and then this is the clear vase. I'm going to decorate this and make it as a centerpiece for the table. To start with, I have taken the jute rope and start wrapping it around the vase. Just as you guys can see, very roughly, no need to follow any rules. Just simply rotate it, wrap it around and tie it into a knot, as you guys can see, and cut the access rope. Now next, take the craft wire and add the pearls to it. The pearl I am using here is in the size 6 mm. So as you can see, I have added the pearls. Next, take one of them and twist it some 2 to 3 times, as you guys can see. So it will stay at one place and there will form a knot. Now we will do the same with the rest of the pearls. We should keep some distance in between. Just take it, twist it and rotate it. So as you guys can see, I have done with all of the pearls. Now take the wire and put it underneath the jute rope and secure it there. And then start wrapping it around the vase, just the way we did it with the rope. Just roughly do that. So once it is done, this will look something like that. Now we will add one candle to it, pillar candle. Now simply put all of the pearls inside the vase. And yes, this is it. Our centerpiece is ready. You guys can see this is the simplest of all and looks very elegant. Next, for fourth DIY, we need this circular cardboard and cut them into 6 to 7 pieces. Next, take another cardboard and put the circular cardboard on top of it and draw a circle. Now cut out this circle. Or just like this. We need another 6 of these for those circular cardboard. Next, use hot glue on the circular cardboard and stick it to the round one. Press it gently and let it dry for some time. So just like this we need to do with all the others. So this is how it will look. Once we are done with that, we will start painting them. I'm using these acrylic colors here. You can use any color of your choice. If not coloring, you can also wrap the jute rope around the circular cardboard. That will look good, but also it takes a lot of time. So I have chose to paint them. Make sure to cover inside and outside. Here I have used yellow, orange, red and green color, the brighter ones. So let them dry, and once they are dry, next I am going to add this lace to the bottom. just to give that extra element. The edges are little rough, so it will cover up and also it will look really good. It will add some festive touch. I'm using this golden border. Just using a hot glue, stick it to the circles. So I have done the same with all of the other ones. So they are looking more festive now. So once we are done with everything, keep it on the floor or on the table and arrange them as you want, because we are going to put this on the wall. Now using a double side tape, I'm going to stick them on the wall. So this is how pretty they will look. These are perfect for Diwali wall decor. You can even hang them using a jute rope or just put it on the wall. They look super gorgeous. Now moving on to the last DIY, I'm going to use these glass bottles. I'm going to color them and use it in different ways for this festival decor. Using kaolin or any other thing, clean them very well before coloring. For coloring the bottles, I'm going to use this solvent based color. This is green, yellow, blue and red in color. You guys can again go totally according to your choice. Now we will start with the coloring. For this small bottle, I am going to use the color green. Now simply take it and put the color in the bottle and start rotating it. Now start rotating it so that the color inside stick all around. Just keep on turning and add extra color if you want. We need to cover all the inside part. Simply just rotate it, the bottle will get colored itself. As you guys can see it, our bottle is well colored now. Keep it aside and let it dry. Now for next second jar, I am using this golden color. Again we are going to follow the same step. Pour in the color and rotate so that it gets well coated. So this is how beautiful it will look, and we will do the same with the remaining bottles. I am using this red color and keep them aside and let them dry. At the end we will get that gorgeous color, and then simply style them as you want. It's the festival season going on, so I have put in some fairy lights and then flowers. It is looking gorgeous setup. So yes, this is it in today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.